So this is scrap wood that I put together to make a little like table. Then I could just cut this out and put this sink. I got this sink for $15. So we're gonna see what we could do with this. Try to make a little sink. Make me like a little raggedy kitchen. All right, hustling on the budget. All right, okay. Got this off Amazon. It was $30. Well, actually less than like $22. We're gonna use this for the outdoor sink. I'm gonna hook up these two. So I'm gonna hook up only one side. We only got cold water for now, so hook that up. Gotta get the weights together and all that. That is gonna be pretty nice. Nice little sink. All right. Then just bought a basic strainer. So hopefully that work out. You ain't gotta be too fancy. So I don't need all that. All right. All right. Well, I'm about to try to hook this up now. We got this here. I'm hoping it's looking okay. Take this, leave the washer on that side, and put this little plate through. There you go. Yeah, one more. This ain't like no regular faucet. My kids told me don't get nothing too fancy. But I was like, for the same price, why not? We're about to see how that work out. You gotta screw this in there. Get that tight. Alright, I had this in for a placeholder. Let me take this out now. And fasten this down yet. Actually got that in. Now I'm gonna slide this down to the hole. Put that down like so. You gotta go get the other pieces. Give me a sec. Alright, looking inside this box, I see you got the weights right here. And I got, this is pretty cool. Nowadays, you don't gotta use those special wrenches. I can just screw it in that way. So that'll be nice and easy to get it in. So I could just screw this tight. I'm going to close this up. Close this box, don't need this box anymore. So I'll take this washer. I'm gonna have to go through all these. Get all that in there. This one gonna be the hard one. That plastic cap. It's gonna drive me crazy. You know what? This thing is mobile, so let me take advantage of that. Let me pull this thing out. So I can get behind there. If I can go like that. All right. So now I can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna swallow these. Swallow, pause. All right, I'm gonna get these out. I gotta grow up. I'm trying to get this this one plastic head through there. I'm gonna do the soft one first. Got that one in. That plastic got give to it. This don't got give. So I don't know how I'm about to do this. You know what? Let's try it this way. Do the ones that's hard first. Because these flexible, I can kind of put that in first. Then I can slide these through. Need some more slack. Let's see, I got one in. Gotta get the other one in. Try to get the third one in. And I can just pull them through, ideally. Come on, come on, come on. One, a two. All right, so I got those two in. Still stuck on that really hard one. All right, we got them all in. Kind of barley. All right. Now that those is through, I'm gonna screw it tight. Like I said, sinks used to be a pain in the neck because you had to grab it with that special wrench. Now they got these easy grips to make it easier. Kind of feel bad for wrench companies, but kind of don't. Gonna make life easier. All right, starting to connect. Make sure it's lined up. Got to make sure it's tight. All right. Get that tight. Get that in there. Loosen up just a little bit because I hear some cracking. All right. All right, so I got this little box. I'm gonna do cold water. It came with some threading, but since I'm outside, I ain't gonna put no threading for now, because I don't want it to be too hard to take it loose. So, take the cap off. This is how it looks. Okay. Tie this in onto here. Hand tighten it for now. Make sure the theory works. Now take this. Ooh, didn't think about that. Ay, ay, ay. This is the female and the female. I need a male. I mean, this is two males. I need a female. So, I guess to be continued now. Forgot about that whole thing. All right. Well, that's it for now until I can figure it out. Let me see. Let's get this drain together. Take this out. Got the little drain here. See if I got something for that. All right. All right, we got some plumber's putty. It's still kind of old. Let's see if it's still some good. Got dry fit inside. All right. Take a little plumber's putty. I don't want to use too much because, like I said, we outside. spouts in the house, you got to watch out for water damage. You got to be very careful. So plumber's putty, it looks like that in the inside. You take it, then you just roll it around, kind of work it. If you survive through kindergarten, you can do plumber's putty. So take all that off. Take the plumber's putty. Mix it in. Put it around. So make sure it's long enough. Probably put too much. We got the plumber's putty. Put it in. All right, let's see if I can get it to angle right. All right, there we go. I ain't got my kids with me today. I got my kids, so I live with my kids, but they in the house right now. All right, look at me being all sensitive. Okay, so you gonna put this on here. Make sure that's pushed down. You're gonna take this, and I'm gonna work it. I remember my wife, we saw the plumber's putty at the bottom one time of our old thing when it was leaking. So we had this theory it was fungus and stuff, but we didn't know because, you know, first time homeowners, we didn't know stuff. And I guess my dude didn't do that much plumbing, so I didn't learn it from him, at least that part. He told me a lot of stuff though. Just, I guess I forgot. Oh, well, listen, I'm sure he told me. All right. So you keep turning that until it's real tight. I seen some people, they use like a screwdriver to stick in that indentation, like a flathead. Put it right there, then kind of give it a couple of taps to try to make sure it go in. But I ain't gonna do that right now. Okay, so once that's in, let's have a look at the top. We're gonna go and get the excess off of there. Close up this plumber's putty. And then we're gonna cut around this just to make sure it's nice and sealed tight. Then we'll go from there. That holds the water right there. See? All right, so let's finish this job up. Let's see if we can finish this up. Alright, we're gonna take this piece here. I bought this little hose adapter. It goes from a female to another female, so it's 3/4 to a half. Basically what that means is it hooks up a water hose to like a regular like kitchen faucet, like a home faucet. Well, actually, nah, it goes halfway there. Now that I think about it, I could have just had it go. I could did female to male, but didn't think of that at the time. So this is where I'm at. So I'm gonna hook this up on this side. I'm sorry, hook this up first. Hook up my water hose. Hopefully it's getting on camera. So you got the water hose. I'll hook that up. Screw that on real good. Once I got that in, I'm gonna hook this up to the water line. Got that in, got that in. Now we in, turn that on. Let's see, I'm gonna turn the water on. Uh-oh. don't even hook up the drain yet. So let's see. All right, that's all I messed up. I had to put that's why you read the directions. I gotta connect this to that quick connect thing that was giving me trouble. I had to connect this line to that. We're gonna loop it through this weight, because this weight's supposed to weigh it down. The weight's supposed to weigh it down good. All right, so I'm gonna get that together and then we'll go from there. To do that, I'm gonna have to loosen this screws up right there so I can open it up enough to fit the holes through. All right, so you see this? I'll take this screwdriver, try to loosen this up, separate it, make the hole bigger so it can slide through, and hopefully that work out. All right.